the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.